refill from tank or drum. Workshops can purchase in larger packaging while maintaining full mobility and control with the T1, T2, and T6 systems. When using this refill function, you will need to activate it. First, go to the main screen, press Settings, press Pump Settings, press Refill, press with Refill. When going back to the main screen, the Fill Trolley button will appear for T1 and T2. Disconnect the coupling for the suction hose on the pump. Connect the suction hose from the drum you wish to refill from. Take the outlet hose and put it in the drum. Open the valve on the outlet hose. Go to the main screen and press Fill Trolley. Enter the quantity you would like to dispense. The pump will now refill your desired quantity. For T6, connect the coupling to the manifold. Make sure all the valves are closed. The drum with the yellow color mark should correspond with the yellow color mark on the container in the T6. Insert the outlet hose and open the valve. Now select the product you wish to refill. Go to the main screen and press Fill Trolley. Enter the quantity you would like to dispense. The pump will now refill your desired quantity.